I feel like maybe I can go a little bit more back. No. Here?
Yeah.
Welcome back, everybody. Today we have our Boxycharm unboxing. And guess what? I hate it again. And we have a special guest on iPhone.
Hey!
Say hi!
Hi!
He's helping me because I feel more comfy. Well, anyways, guys, today we have my Boxycharm regular box, which is $25. And we have my Boxycharm Premium box, which is, I don't know. I'll put in the link below. I completely forgot. I think it's $35 or $50. I don't know. I'll put it on the link below. I already opened them. I know. I'm not supposed to, but I did. So let's start with the regular box. The theme for both boxes are breaking the ice. And I have variation 22 on my little box. And I can already tell you guys, I did not get anything that I wanted. Well, I'm lying. I only got one thing that I wanted. But I've seen the pictures again, like last month. The pictures came up. So many cuteness, so many things. And all of a sudden I get my box and I'm like, where's my stuff? Like literally, where's my stuff? So this is what came in the box. And the first item you guys are gonna see is from Avant. And you guys know what I said about this last month. I don't think they listen to us. Like, I really don't think they listen to us. Yes, baby, Wusa. So this is Avant Skincare. It's 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleep Mask. So this is going to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. Can you guess how much this is worth?
$15.
Is it worth $15? So according to them, this is worth $107.
What? Like Joey says, what?
So same thing as last month. Avant, I'm sorry, it's not even in the same container that it comes available when you go to their website. So this is definitely a no for me. Next in my box, I think they wanted me to get skincare because I don't think they've realized how much skincare I have. Next in my box, we have Skin & Co. Face Gommage. It's a polishing micro exfoliating truffle. So this is probably something I will never use. And it costs $28. That makes more sense. Like 108, 28. 108, 28. I have the phone down there. But I don't know. Now that it's $28, I think I might try it. It has black truffle extract, apricot seed powder, sweet almond extract, squalene, don't know what that is, allantoin, and it says to apply a liberal amount of truffle therapy over face and neck, massage gently in circular movement. So maybe I will try this out and I'll let you guys know on IG if I like it or not. But this is definitely going to Alex because So next in my box is the Pretty Vulgar concealer. I thought I was going to get the Too Faced highlight. I was hoping to get the Too Faced highlight because, well, let me show you this. This bag right here is all concealers that I am giving away because I literally have too many concealers. So thanks, but no thanks. But you know what? I'll be honest. I'll try it. Pretty Vulgar. Their bronzing powder, I think it is. It's nice. And it feels creamy. It's a little light. They only had 4 options. It's a little light, but I think like as an eyeshadow primer, it might work for me. And the Pretty Vulgar is $25, which is more or less the normal price for a concealer. Next, I already knew I was getting this because it was part of my choice, is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn. I'm actually excited for this. This is the only item I am truly excited for my entire box. And this is $34, so at least it covered the cost of my box. At least. I'll have a makeup look up for you guys with this probably in a week or so. So, excited. And last but not least, I haven't even seen these in any of the variations that I've seen online. It's by Queen, I think it is. It's a liquid lip in a very neutral color. It's a pretty color. Yeah, I can work with that. It's definitely a color I can try to work with. So super excited, at least 2 items in my box that I'll be able to actually use. And that is $17, normal price. So the basic box, I guess it wasn't an epic fail. I got 2 items that I got that I like that I might use. So let's go on with our premium box. I've seen everybody get the box with a sticker. It's kind of weird, but I did open it. And again, the one item I really, really wanted was not in my box. It's the same theme as the previous one, and we have variation 31. And it's weird because I get charged on the 31st like everybody else. So I figured I would be like one of the first people to get it and will get the same thing that everybody else gets. But no, I get like I think the leftover crap that's from the boxes. Like seriously, we got to talk about it, Boxycharm, because I'm not happy with this. So variation 31. First thing is first, everybody got this, which is the BDB Billion Dollar Brows. So this is going to go into a mystery box. Yes, I'm announcing my first YouTube giveaway. I am going to take items, throw them in a mystery box, and one lucky person who is consistent, who comments, and who also follows me here, has notifications turned on, and follows me on Instagram and is active, will get a surprise box at the end of the month. And this is the first item that's going to go in the box. And there's another item, if you guys watch my Instagram stories, that I did announce, and that item will also go into the box. And I'll put it up maybe in my 2nd or 3rd video this week. I'll let you know what the other item is. So for now, Billion Dollar Brows is going in the mystery box. Oh, I forgot the price. So Billion Dollar Brows is $42. That's way too effing expensive. But some lucky person will get a $42 set for brows. The next item is from Tula Skincare. I had not seen this on anybody's variations. So this is a clean and effective probiotic skincare. So what is this? It's a salicylic acid and tea tree oil, probiotic, licorice, and ginger. But what is it? Oh, it's an acne foam cleanser. I don't have acne. Anyways, it's an acne foam cleanser. I do like to have these around the house, so I guess I'm okay with that. It's a pretty big size. And this is valued at $34. I'll let you guys know how it works, but I first need to finish my Drunk Elephant before I start this one. Next is for Sally, and it's the Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. This is valued at $54. I like it. I like the idea. But For Sally has a distinct odor. that I don't know everybody would like. I think it's cute. Everybody does, oh, the unicorn tears, whatever. But it has a smell, and honestly, I think it smells like cleaning products. Sorry. Thank you, though. It is cute. I will probably use it, but I'll figure out how to remove the scent. But it does smell like cleaning product. I don't know. It's something like my mom uses. It does leave it nice and sticky, so when you put on your foundation, it does stick to it, so that's kind of nice. Next, we have the Lolita eyeshadow from Kat Von D. You all know I'm not a huge fan of Kat Von D, but the color is very pretty. I used to have the gloss, or was it the lipstick? One of them, the original Lolita. But it's valued at $19 for a single shadow. I feel like it's a lot. I'm not going to open it because this is also going to go into the mystery box. I wanted this. Like, you have no idea. I wanted this. I've heard so many different reviews. Some people like it, some people don't. This is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams palette. It is gorgeous. Definitely gorgeous. And this is valued at $45. You can probably catch it on sale. I haven't seen it at any TJ Maxx or on sale at Sephora, but I know that it'll probably go on sale. But it is such a beautiful palette, even if just to have it and decorate. It's very pretty, so I'm super super hyped about this. And last but not least, it's Bliss. I love Bliss skincare, but again, this is one of the products that was not on any variation that I've seen so far. But this is their Deep Detox 4-Clay Souffle Mask. I have this. I love it. And it's going in the box. So far, we received the 2 boxes. I've been filming this for 2 months in a row already. I've been disappointed. Both months in a row. And they do have the values. The boxes are supposed to be over $110 each. They have a specific per box. According to them, they do have the value, but I just don't agree, especially with that $108 Avant lotion. It doesn't make sense. Like, there's other brands. If you want to spend $108 on such a small item, there's other brands that we can go and we can actually bring it in. But anyways, so before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and turn on notifications. And hopefully leave a comment below because I am going to pick one of you guys to win my surprise giveaway. And if you guys help me hit 5,000 subscribers before June, I'll have even a bigger surprise for you guys. So for now, love you guys, and I'll see you next time.